Hi, we are the group 7 and our topic is employee.
An employee is an individual who is hired by an organization or company to perform specific tasks or duties in exchange for compensation. Employees play a critical role in the success of any business because they contribute their skills, knowledge, and effort toward achieving organizational goals. They may work under various types of employment arrangements, such as full-time, part-time, contractual, or temporary positions. Employees are also entitled to certain rights and benefits, including fair wages, safe working conditions, and opportunities for growth.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie. Here are the five types of employee. First, employee and employers. Second, employee-worker relationship. Third, finding employees and employment. Four, training and development. Five, remuneration. So, I will discuss the first topic. It is employee and employees. Employee are individual who work an organization in returns for payment. They perform specific tasks or duties as stated in their job description or employment contract. Employers are people or organizations that hire employees. They provide work, resources, and wages, and they are responsible for creating safe and suitable working conditions. So, it also have importance of both as employees and employers. Like employees help the business run smoothly. Employers offer opportunities and compensation. A strong relationship between them contributes to high productive and success. So, ang employee kay muna siya, ang employees kay muna siya ang mo'y mo trabaho like muha mo mm, mo'y mo help sa company para mo run o smoothly. So, ang employers naman kay muna siya ang muhatag og trabaho or mo hire sa mo hire og employees. And that's all. And the second topic will be discussed by Mero. Thank you.
Employee-worker relationship. The employee-worker relationship, often called employee relations, is the ongoing management of the connection between an organization and its employees. It handling workplace conflict and ensuring fair worker conditions to fostering a positive culture through communication, engagement, and recognition ultimately. The goal is to create a productive and mutually respectful environment. Key points. Example, example, cooperation, working together to achieve goals. Next, kay communication, sharing information clearly and openly. Next, kay respect, treating each other fairly and valuing contributions. And the last, kay trust, believing in each other's abilities and intentions. Sa workers or mga employee dapat nasa lay cooperation, communication, respect, and trust. Then sa benefits kay builds teamwork and collaboration, solve solves workplace issues faster, increases employee motivation and commitment. Next, creates a positive and productive work environment.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Renar Condrelian. My report is finding employers and employment. Finding employers involves the process of recruitment, where the employer search for suitable candidates to fill available positions. This includes advertising job openings, reviewing applications, conducting interviews, and selecting the most qualified individuals. Employment is the agreement between an employer and employee, where the employee agrees to perform certain duties and the employer provides compensation and benefits. Effective recruitment and employment practices ensures that organizations have the right talent to achieve their objectives.
Hi, good day. I am Joshua Arsenal, and I will be reporting training and development. So, training and development is a process used by organizations to improve employee performance by providing instruction and education. While training focuses on specific short-term job-related skills to improve performance in the current role, development, on the other hand, is a broader, long-term process focused on employees' overall career growth and future potential. So, the benefits of training and development, so it improves skills and knowledge, increases productivity and efficiency, and boosts confidence and motivation, and encourages employee loyalty and retention.
Remuneration means everything an employee receives for their work. It includes money they earn and benefits they get. Money ang makuha sa trabahante sa ilang trabahoan, money man or ilang benefits nga makuha gikan sa kumpanya. Una, monetary compensation. This is the actual money paid to the employee like salary, wages, bonuses, commissions, and overtime pay. Mao ni ilang makuha nga kwarta, cash nilang madawat. Ikaduha, non-monetary benefits. These are extra perks that aren't cash, like health insurance, retirement plans, paid vacation, and other allowances. Mao pod ni ang mga dili expected nga may tabo, like nabay disgrasya or mga bakasyon nga kailangan adtuan pero nahihapon sila yung sweldo. Muna siya paid vacation o na other allowances. May duha ka types ang remuneration. Una, ang direct. Money you directly receive. Example, salary, bonuses, or commissions. Money ang makuha sa trabahante nga cash, madawat direct sa ilaha. Ang ikaduha kay ang indirect. Benefits that still have value but aren't paid as cash. Example ni insurance or retirement plans. Mao ni ang katong makuha sa trabahante if nabay disgrasya nga mahitabo or mo retire na siya.
Conclusion: employees and employers form the foundation of any organization, and their relationship is essential for success. Finding the right employees, providing training and development, and offering fair remuneration are key factors that ensure a productive and motivated workforce. A strong employer-worker relationships, effective recruitment, continuous skill development, and proper compensation contribute to a positive work environment. Higher performance and organizational growth, ultimately a balanced and supportive workplace, benefits both employees and employers. So that's all our topic. Thank you.